Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today, I want to talk about something that can change the way you grow your audience online. You know how some businesses seem to explode out of nowhere, while others are posting every day and still barely get noticed. Well, the truth is, the fastest growing brands aren't relying on ads or complicated funnels. They're using something much simpler. They let their audience spread the word for them. One person joins, shares it, and their friends join. And suddenly, it just takes off. The good news is, you don't need a huge team or a Silicon Valley budget to make that happen anymore. Because today, we're looking at a tool that gives anyone the power to launch viral referral campaigns in minutes. It's called FlexiViral, the AI-powered viral campaign platform that helps your traffic snowball from a single sign-up. Let's get into it. So, what exactly is FlexiViral? In simple terms, it is an AI-powered platform that helps you create viral lead generation campaigns that can grow on their own. You set up a campaign, someone signs up, they get their own referral link. They share it with friends to unlock rewards, and each new person repeats the same loop. It's basically an automated invite-to-earn system that keeps spreading without you constantly pushing content or buying ads. If you want your email list, your user base, or your audience to grow faster, this is the kind of tool that makes it happen. Alright, so let's quickly break down the most important features that actually make a difference. AI-assisted viral campaign generation. You don't start with a blank page. FlexiViral's AI helps you come up with campaign ideas, hooks, and copy. So you can launch a viral giveaway or referral campaign in minutes. Automated rewards delivery. Whenever someone unlocks a reward, FlexiViral delivers it instantly. This means you can offer digital files, access links, videos, or anything without lifting a finger. Real-time leaderboards and badges. This is where the magic happens. People love competing. Leaderboards, badges, and point tracking keep participants sharing more to climb the ranks. It's gamification that actually drives growth. Embeddable widgets and share anywhere links. You can share a direct link or embed the campaign widget on your website. So no matter where your audience discovers you, they can join instantly. Full branding control with your custom domain and banner. Your campaigns don't look third-party. You can use your own domain and add branded banners, which makes everything look more professional and trustworthy. Now let's jump into the dashboard so you can actually see how FlexiViral works behind the scenes. Let's roll into the demo.
FlexiViral dashboard, you will see an overview of all your campaigns, include leads collected, rewards created, and the recent campaigns. Now go to My Contest and click on Create New Contest to begin setting up a new lead generation campaign. Let's create a new campaign called Refer and Win Fit for Less Viral Challenge. Set your goals as lead generation since we want to collect leads and grow gyms members list through referrals. FlexiViral's step-by-step wizard makes the process quick and easy even for the beginners. In step 1, let's customize the campaign page, set your gym logo, the colors, and the sign up CTA, and the catchy headline and the description. Like invite your friends and get rewarded, join the Fit for Less viral challenge. Now click on the save button to go to the next step. Where you can add viral share entry for the campaign. Here, each participant will receive a unique referral link that they can share with their friends. Simply add a title and assign entry points hit the save button. To move on to the next step, which is step 3, where you will set up your price settings. Here, enter minimum points required to unlock a price and then select the price from the drop down, pulling it directly from your price library. Now, let's take a quick look at how to add a new price in the library. Go to the price reward library from the top menu and click on create new price slash reward. You will see multiple options for creating different prices types such as instructions, external URL, video, audio, and hosted file. You can choose any of this type based on your campaign needs. For example, since our campaign is for a gym, I have created all the instruction type, prices, and rewards. Once this is done, let's heads up to the step 3 price setup. Assign the prices we just created and click on the save button. To go to the next step, step 4. So here you will configure rewards and badge settings. So here enter the points required for the participants to unlock this each reward. Just like price setup, you can assign rewards directly from the library. You can also upload custom badges to make the campaign more engaging. As members reach the required points, they will automatically unlock rewards and earn badges, keeping them motivated to share more. Now, click on the next button to move to step 5, where you will find campaign publish settings. So, here you can access the public URL of your campaign. You can also get the embed code to place it in the website or landing pages, as well as the widget settings if you want to display it as a sidebar. Once everything is set, click on the preview icon to see your campaign live, just like your participants will experience it. FlexiViral automatically track referrals and unlock rewards when participants reach each milestone. Now let's automate your communication under email settings. Customize your welcome message. So here you can customize your registration email message when the participant signs up. So FlexiViral send all messages automatically using your connected SMTP account. So to make things more engaging, the leaderboard feature helps displays the top referrals real time, motivating the participant to share more and climb the ranks. You can track every referral sign up and conversion directly in your dashboard. Your campaign link is live now. You can share it via email, social media, or WhatsApp. As people join and refer others, you will see real time data on the leaderboards, top participants, and overall performance. And that's it. You have just created a viral lead generation campaign for a gym using FlexiViral. It's simple, fast, and completely automated, helping you collect quality leads and grow your business without spending on ads. Thanks for watching the demo. Log into your FlexiViral and start creating your own viral lead generation campaign.
Next, let's talk about the pricing and what you actually get inside the FlexiViral funnel. So first up is the front end, which is basically the core FlexiViral platform. With this version, you can run 25 viral campaigns, collect up to 25,000 participants, and access the AI campaign builder, the referral system, live leaderboards, all reward types, widgets, mobile pages, pretty much everything you need to launch viral campaigns right away. You also get custom branding options, SMTP, your own domain through CNA, autoresponder integrations, webinar integrations, real-time stats, and even commercial rights, so you can run campaigns for clients. This alone is already a solid package. OTO 1, FlexiViral Pro Elite. You get unlimited campaigns, support for up to 100,000 participants, and a huge set of advanced entry actions like social growth tasks, video tasks, image selection tasks, question-based actions, and traffic tasks. You can also remove FlexiViral branding, access webhook automations, daily bonus entries, anti-fraud protection, video banner campaigns, and even one-click cloning. This upgrade is perfect if you want more flexibility, more engagement options, or you're doing this for clients. OTO 2, FlexiViral done for you. If you don't want to build campaigns yourself, this one is for you. You get 100 done-for-you viral campaigns across tons of niches, plus 2 new campaigns every month. You can also request custom campaigns, and you get commercial rights included. So this upgrade is basically plug-and-play viral campaigns ready to launch. OTO 3, FlexiViral Agency. Now, if you want to turn this into a full-service business, the agency upgrade gives you everything you need. You can manage 250 clients, add 100 team members, apply your own branding, and access done-for-you marketing materials like sales videos, outreach templates, phone scripts, ad creatives, Fiverr gig templates, the whole package. OTO 4, VIP Training. This one is the training program that teaches you how to maximize viral growth. You get the Viral Multiplication Mastery System with modules on viral growth, interactive campaign building, monetization, and traffic. There are 14 step-by-step sub-modules, all self-paced and beginner-friendly. Basically, it's the strategy side of FlexiViral. OTO 5, FlexiViral Reseller. And finally, the reseller license. This lets you sell FlexiViral yourself, both the front end and the pro version, and keep 100% of the revenue. You get 100 reseller licenses, done-for-you sales materials, promo assets, and a reseller dashboard. FlexiViral handles all customer support for you. If you want a quick way to add an extra income stream, this one makes that possible. And if you're looking for the most complete package without overpaying, the bundle gives you the best value, hands down. Instead of picking each upgrade one by one, the bundle gives you the entire FlexiViral system. All features, all upgrades, all tools, no restrictions for a single discounted price. Here's what's included. Front-end FlexiViral Commercial. OTO 1, FlexiViral Pro Elite. OTO 2, Done-for-You Campaigns. OTO 3, FlexiViral Agency. OTO 4, VIP Training. OTO 5, FlexiViral Reseller. You're literally getting every feature, every automation, every DFY campaign, and even the full reseller package, all bundled together. This is by far the most cost-effective option because individually, these upgrades add up fast, but the bundle gives you everything at a massive discount. Alright, so that wraps up my review of FlexiViral. At the end of the day, this tool gives you something most platforms simply cannot: a way to turn one lead into many. Automatically, if you want faster list growth, more engagement, and a system that spreads your campaigns without relying on ads, FlexiViral makes that incredibly easy, even if you're a complete beginner. You've seen how the viral loop works, you've seen the features, and you've seen the pricing options. So if this looks like a good fit for your business, definitely check it out. I've put the full review, all the pricing details, and especially my exclusive bonuses down below in the description. Make sure you take a look because those bonuses are only available through my link, and they can help you get even better results with FlexiViral. If you got value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.